And if we start from the beginning, what are the most used things at the moment that people like to print are the surgical guides. They are maybe the number one thing people are printing, and then also the dental models still to do your work on top of it. And also it's really popular to do a liner series. You can also do in our ortho studio, then print the models and then you can thermoform the aligners on top of it. And these are also materials that we are starting with, but of course then later on a lot more different materials, but these are the first ones we have. And a little bit about how it works. So we have liquid resin in these capsules, and this resin goes to this basin. Then there is a light source down here.
SLA or
Nope.
DL?
We have a different system. So how 3D, or I'll explain at the end. So we have this build platform that goes to this liquid resin. Then the light will cure the first layer. This goes a little bit up. The second layer is cured a little bit, third layer. And then at the end we have our products hanging here. And what is this light source? In dentistry, in other 3D printers, so in laser 3D printers, SLA, you have a laser here that goes and pixel by pixel makes all the pixels cured. So it's takes pretty long time if you print multiple. Yes,
slow.
Because you have to go and harden each pixel one by one. And then there are projector printers where you have the full layer. Cured at once. And with those, the problem sometimes is that light comes from one spot and goes like this. So if you want to print accurate stuff, it's better to print it in the middle. And here at the edges, you print something you don't want that that don't need to be that accurate. Because of course, when it comes to from the one point, the light spreads a little bit the edges. It's not the same intensity, so it's not cured the same way. So there has been done a lot of calculation to get the accuracy also at the edges good. But what is our printer? It has an LCD panel, so pretty much what you have in the phone. So LED lights go through there.
Perfect.
And in each pixel the light goes then always with the same strength and direction. And also it always cures one layer at once, so it doesn't matter if you have one of these or 5 of these, it's still the same times. The time is only dependent how many layers you have to cure.
It's faster.
And good thing with our printer is that it's really fast. So if we place the model like this on the build platform, we can print this model in, I think this was printed in 14 minutes or 15 minutes. So really fast, because if you know some other times from the 3D printers, usually you're quite happy if you get it in 2 hours. You're wow, it was
1 hour and a half, 2 hours.
Yes, you're really happy. But now we are really talking like 15 minutes with this yellow faster material. Also with this one, this looks a bit nicer, but it's a bit slower to cure. So also with this one, the same small model would be like half an hour to print.
It's nothing.
And what we are also happy with the machine, it's accuracy, and also that everything is, if you try, made from aluminium. In this price range they are quite often from plastics, but with this one the idea is that it has to be like the milli machines, really heavy. Even though it looks small, it's around 30 kilos, and that's good. So that there is no vibration. So if you want to do accurate stuff, it will do that accurately.
You don't have to change this screen. This window. You don't have to change it.
Yes.
With other printers, this tends to burn.
Yes, of course, this warms out.
Yeah.
But with ours, you don't need to change this whole thing. You just unscrew and place this new part that has the new.
You know, it's cheaper.
fold.
Or it's not that.
Yes, you don't need to prep.
Yes.
Or I
And
don't
the
know.
format of the tray is expensive.
Yes.
Like 150.
Well, I don't know about the prices in your country, so probably everything expensive, like in dentistry usually is, but at least not that expensive because you don't need to change the whole thing. And also, what my colleagues said who have printed a lot, that they